Good morning, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and seeing it's such a nice day, we thought we'd come outside and do another video on the RM23 Alternator. The stator of the RM23 is actually quite good. It does get a lot of bad press, and some people think they need to fit a three-phase version. The Wassel version of the three-phase stator will not fit a Mark III Commando. It doesn't fit inside the outer chain case, so you are back to the RM23. This Norton Commando I've just found loafing in the car park has the RM23 fitted. It also has the tri-spark rectifier and an Al Osborne battery status monitor fitted. All the output from the stator is fed to the rectifier regulator and then put back onto the system as power. There is no loss going anywhere to a warning light simulator, warning light module or anything like that. The Al Osborne battery status monitor sits across the DC rail. It tells me exactly what the DC is doing. Now, some people seem to think that the RM23 doesn't provide enough power when you're at low revs. I will demonstrate in a minute by using the electric start on this, using a battery which is 4 years old now, a Yuasa AGM type battery. I'm intrigued to see how long it'll last. I would normally not leave a battery this long. I'd normally replace it at the 2-year point, but this one seems to be holding up very well. We'll now start the bike. When I start the bike, you will notice that the Al Osborne battery status monitor will show red. After a minute or so, it will then actually go green, saying that the voltage is at an adequate level to keep the battery well charged. You want to come in with a camera now? You can now see that the Al Osborne battery status monitor is showing red. I'll just keep it red for a little bit like that. It will soon go green after about a minute or so. We're going to wait a minute now and then we'll... See now it's starting to turn green. Still not quite there yet. Another minute or so and that will turn green, showing that despite using the electric starter, there's enough being generated and being put back to the battery. I have to keep my hand over it because of the sun that we don't often see in the UK. There you are. Now it's green. So, and that's what, a minute, maybe 2 minutes at the most. A little bit of revs, hardly any, and it's now as good as gold. As can be seen from the recent videos and the close-up, that after a minute or so, the actual battery status monitor with minimum throttle and just tick over, less than a couple of minutes, it will actually show green. That goes to show that the RM23 is putting out enough voltage and being rectified to be able to support the battery and the rest of the electric system. But like anything electrical, it's only good as the wiring system on your bike. If you've got faults on your wiring system, always fix them. And if you can't fix them and your wiring loom is getting too old, replace it. If you have any further questions or queries, please feel free to ring myself or Simon or send us an email at Andover Norton. Thank you very much.